In this video, I will share with you how to cancel the GoHighLevel free trial or subscription. If you already tried to cancel GoHighLevel and you land on this page, don't worry, this is simple. The issue here is that you are inside your GoHighLevel account or sub account and you are trying to find the billing page. So what you need to do, first you need to switch back from this account back to the agency view. So let's switch to the agency view. Now that we are in the agency view, click on settings and then go to the billing page. And like that, you will see your current subscription. Now, to cancel your current subscription, simply click on Want to modify / cancel your subscription. And click on Show More and select Cancel Plan. Here, select the reason you want to cancel. Let's go with the default one. Click on Next. Here, they are trying to convince you to stay in by comparing GoHighLevel to other competitors. So I will scroll down and click on I want to cancel. Let us make sure that you're using GoHighLevel to its full content. I still want to cancel. Here they try to convince you with a discount, 15% discount. Click on I still want to cancel. We're sorry to see you go. I'm sure I want to cancel. In this video, I will not continue selecting I want to cancel because I'm not really trying to cancel this subscription right now. So here, I think they will ask you another time and then they cancel your subscription. And to confirm that and here the difference with the GoHighLevel and other services is that once you cancel your subscription, if there is a remaining days in your subscription, you will not get them. So the cancellation is immediately. And to confirm that you are successfully cancelled your account, you will receive an canceling a subscription canceling email in your inbox. And this is the canceling email that you will receive in your inbox. It is titled Agency Subscription Cancelled. Agency subscription cancelled. Hi, your subscription has been cancelled. And this confirms that your subscription is cancelled. And this is how to cancel GoHighLevel. If you still have free trial or subscription. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.